Hello friends, this is your MSR once again with you all. Very good evening everyone. Today I'll talk about water. Since our childhood we used to hear save water, save life, but unfortunately we are not applying it in our regular life. And as we know what is very important for us. We can survive without having food, but we cannot survive without water. Almost 71% area of earth is covered by water, but unfortunately we have only about 3% fresh water, and out of that only 1.2% drinking water for us. And for that particular percentage the whole world is fighting. So we can understand it's a big concern for us. It's really a big concern for us. There are a few states in India where women used to go miles away to fill water. They know the crisis of water. We don't, but we should know. Definitely we should know. And this is actually my request to you all. Please stand together and give your small contribution towards this great noble work. Now I'll give you people 2-3 tips that will help you to save water at your home. Number 1, when you're brushing your teeth, don't leave your tap open. Again I'm repeating, don't leave your tap open. Number 2, use bucket and jug, a mug, instead of having shower at the time of bath. Last but not the least, use detergent soap. Detergent soap instead of detergent powder. It takes less water. Now, actually that's all about my video, but I really request you all, please stand together. Think about this crisis. Otherwise, in near future, we will be in great trouble. Really, we will be in great trouble. We have to stand together, and we have to stand together to fight with this crisis. We have to save water at any cost. That's all about my video. I hope you people will understand and stand together to save water. Last but not the least, save water, save life. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind. Thank you very much.